Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Chicken Game here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make your lighting and graphics better for your game. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, so the way I'm going to show you doesn't need any scripts at all. You just need to insert a few assets into the lighting and then just change a few settings. You can change them to whatever you like. You just need to change any setting to however you like it, because everybody's different and everybody wants a different lighting. Okay, so you see the lighting section in your Explorer. You just need to go in here. You can change the technology to like the style that you want. Change it to voxel. If you want like a shadow map, like everything has a shadow on it, and you can change like the shadow softness and things like that. You might not notice that much of a difference, but if you place an object on top of it like this, you can see here, and in the shadow softness, you see around the checkpoint you have like the darkness of the shadow. That's what that does. And you can change the ambient like that. And so that's enough for that. You can also like add in fog and stuff like that, and just increase the numbers in that to make it more foggy. So the next one I want to show you is I just need to change this back. The next one I want to show you is adding like color correction, stuff like that. So click on the plus on lighting, and you can add in another skybox if you want to, or you can just get one from the toolbox. So the color correction effect is just going to make the colors a lot better for your game. So you just need to change the tint color to however you like it. So maybe if you're wanting like a horror game, you're going to want the lighting to be a bit darker to make it a bit spooky. And so you might want it to be like that or something like that. Change the saturation, very important. That's just like the black and white colour and the grayscale. You can enable it on and off if you want to. Change the contrast and of course the brightness. Ignore the attributes, they haven't got anything to do with it. If you want to add another one, you can add in like, a bloom effect or blur effect. And as you can see, that's very blurry. You can just decrease the amount of blur on that. So if you want to make like a blurry game, you can add in a blur, but you need to make sure you don't make it too blurry, because it could hurt your player's eyes. Bloom effect, and I haven't really discovered much of a difference to this. I don't really know what it does. I don't know. To me, it doesn't make much of a difference on my map, but it might for you. So the last thing I want to show you is the sun rays effect, and this is just going to be the intensity of like the sun and stuff like that, like the amount of brightness that can cause on some parts of your game. So if you increase that, it's going to make it slightly brighter, and you can increase this. It just makes it brighter, and it changes the sun rays and stuff like that. Go back into here, you can change the fog. Again, you can change the ambient. So if you want to make it like a horror game and stuff like that, then this is great for that. That's the ambient. And change the brightness, make it a lot brighter if you want to. It's completely up to you how you change these settings. Just because everybody's choices are different, the possibilities are probably endless. Change the settings to whatever you like, and change the diffusion, and then this specific. I don't even know what it says. Change the diffuse scale and the specular scale. The global shadows is just the if you want shadows in your game. If you have to have it on shadow maps, then you'll probably want global shadows on there. And I'm just gonna add in some fog. So you just need to change these settings to wherever you like to make it all foggy. So yeah, so that's pretty much all that needs to be done. So if this video helped and you want to see more, then make sure you like, subscribe and turn the bell to be notified when a video comes out. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.